Hey everyone, let's talk about something super important today: unprotected sex. Now, whether it was a spur-of-the-moment decision or a condom mishap, knowing what to do next is crucial. So, here's your guide on what steps to take and the resources available to you. First things first. Unprotected sex means any genital contact without a protective barrier, including instances where a condom breaks or isn't used for the entire duration. If this happens, don't panic. Take a deep breath, and let's go through your options. Number 1. Emergency contraceptives. These are your go-to if you're worried about pregnancy. There are a few options here. Ella is a prescription pill that can prevent pregnancy up to 5 days after sex and is more effective than other options, especially if you're over 195 pounds. Plan B and other levonorgestrel pills can also help, best taken as soon as possible within 3-5 days. Keep in mind these have a weight limit of 165 pounds and don't require a prescription. And then, there's the copper IUD, 99% effective if used within 5 days, and offers long-term protection for up to 12 years. Number 2. STI testing. Sexually transmitted infections can be a concern after unprotected sex. Look out for symptoms like new discharge, itching, burning, pain, or skin changes. But remember, many STIs don't show symptoms right away. Immediate medical evaluation and regular testing are key. Places like Wardenburg offer drop-in testing and STI screening appointments. Number 3. Pregnancy testing. If you think you might be pregnant, get tested as soon as possible. Free pregnancy tests are available at Wardenburg's Apothecary Pharmacy, Basic Needs Center, and Center for Inclusion and Social Change. At-home tests are also an option, just make sure you follow the directions closely. Now let's talk about preparation for next time. Using barrier methods like external and internal condoms or dental dams can significantly reduce risks. Personal lubricant helps too, reducing friction and the risk of tearing. Regular STI screening should be part of your routine, especially before starting new sexual relationships. Keeping emergency contraception on hand is also a smart move. Just watch those expiration dates. And don't forget campus resources. Wardenburg offers a range of sexual and reproductive health services, including birth control, gynecological services, HPV vaccines, and more. They also have drop-in testing and telehealth appointments for convenience. Need safer sex supplies? Check out the free buff box for on-campus students or visit Wardenburg for off-campus supplies. For those dealing with sexual assault or needing confidential support, the Office of Victim Assistance provides trauma-focused counseling and advocacy. Programs like Let's Talk offer informal consultations with counselors, and there's special support for international students too. So, there you have it, a quick guide to handling unprotected sex and the resources available to you. Remember, being informed and prepared is the best way to take control of your sexual health. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Catch you in the next video.